created by Samina Nazir Khalifa. जिला परिषद उर्दू स्कूल बिळूर, तालुका जत, जिला सांगली. Standard 2nd, subject English, unit 1.6, page number 8. 1.6, page number 8, it's activity time. Write the first letter of picture. Pencil. It's pencil. The first letter of pencil is P. Moon. It's moon. The first letter of moon is M. Balloon. It's balloon. And the first letter of balloon is B. Flower. It's flower. And the first letter of flower is F. Banana. It's banana. The first letter of banana is B. Tree. It's tree. And the first letter of tree is T. Sun. It's sun. And the first letter of sun is S. Now the time of riddle. Look, listen and guess. I look at you. You look at me. I raise my right hand. You look your left hand. Who am I? Yes, it's mirror.